What's up, everyone, and welcome back to another video here on the channel. I'm Quentin, and as you can tell, it has been a windy and hot day, so please forgive the crazy hair that's going to be in this video. But we got some really great content planned for you tonight. We got a great golden hour, and today we are shooting this right here. It's a custom GTR. What year is it? 2015. See, I don't even know my research on it, but like, listen, all I know is, I don't know if you can see it with this or not, but it reflects really well in the sunlight. We just came back from Kanawha State Forest, and we got some like more moody cinematic shots that I'm gonna, actually, as soon as I get done with this, I'm gonna like, this is gonna be like a good transition to go right into it and stuff. And then we're gonna put the GoPro on and we're gonna shoot it. We have a couple shots that we definitely want to get with the golden hour. And yeah, if you guys liked it, well, if you like this type of content in general, please let me know in the comments below. I just shot a 1967 Chevy Camaro as well in this video, link in the description below. And it was very similar. That one I had a model. This is something new. I don't have a model today. I'm just shooting a car. So it's gonna be a brand new type of content. So if you guys like it, make sure you follow, make sure you like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. That looks really good, actually. Let me, so yeah, that looks really good. Looks like that. Let's see, we need to zoom in on it. It's gonna be all pretty sharp, actually. So. On some of these details here, so I'm gonna try to shoot this GTR like logo at the top right here. Like maybe the headlight. I also don't have no idea what I'm doing, so you guys in the comments, if I'm doing this wrong, just let me know. All right, let's find a different spot for it. All right, so he's gonna pull it around. We're gonna try to put it like right over here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a little bit of sunlight. I really want to get something. Go this way. Go this way. Straighten it up. Right there. Perfect. Go ahead and turn. No, like. Perfect. That looks good. That's good. Yeah, that's perfect. All right, so what I'm gonna try to do here is try to get a long shot, okay? Just kind of like a, and then I want to try to get everything in focus right here, but I also want to aim for this blue. So I'm going to try to do this. I don't know if you guys can see this. Okay, we're cooking with something. Just gotta get in focus. Ooh, that looks really good. Do a wide shot too. That's one thing I gotta tell myself. I gotta do more wide shots. And then try to do one like really close here. Alex, can you turn the headlights on? Can you turn the headlights on? Perfect. Yeah, adding that headlight there, I think I can increase my shutter, make it a little bit darker. Oh, it's got some Batmobile vibes. All right, so That is sick. Wow, that looks really good. It looks like almost all black. And I also want to shoot a couple like wide open too here. So I'm going to go like f2.8 on this, just get a little bit flatter. And then I'm going to open up that shutter. There's a little bit of that building. I'm gonna put it all the way down there. This can be a screensaver, guys. I love that, man. That looks really good. All right, so maybe what we'll do is we'll shoot like over here and then like shoot in between those little guardrails there. And then there's on the other side there, I might shoot, I don't know if you can see it, I have all my gear here, but like down through here, it's like maybe shooting through that hole would be really good with the lights on. It's like really good blue hour stuff. So yeah, let's keep it going, guys. Oh God. Ignore that on camera, Jesus. Oh shoot. Got some really cool stuff going on. That's really cool. That looks really cool, man. It looks like the Batmobile over here. I did some like, yeah, that looks pretty sick. Yeah, let's keep it going. All right, let's do pretty cool. I just heard a fucking plane. Got the plane in the moon right there, man. See it?
Yeah. You're like, well, I just saw something. Like, what?
Yeah. I'll Photoshop it. All right, go back a little bit deeper. Yeah. All right, so keep going, keep going. Okay, about right here, start turning. And then go back, yep, go back. Perfect, right there. That's good, perfect, yep. Roll the windows up. Oh, that looks good, guys. So this one right here, you can really see the, you can see like the tint of it a lot more. Okay, I'm gonna go back here actually and shoot in between this. I don't know if this is gonna be a good idea or not, to be honest, but we're gonna try it. That's what photography is about, right? I'm gonna put 4.0 on this. Make it a little bit flatter. Kind of trying to frame my image up a little bit. Oh, God. Let's see. All right, so what I'm gonna try to do, I'm gonna try to frame him into this one shot. Oh, that was really cool too. That was really cool. Shit. Dude, one thing about photography that always frustrates me is like, you always get the best shots when they're never posed. They're never posed. Okay, so I'm wanting to shoot him Yeah, coming down like right there. All right, you see that arrow? Park right on the arrow. Over it. Perfect. Now turn the wheel. Perfect. Roll the window up. All right, so I think that looks really good. And like I said, I want to frame it. I don't know if I have to get down. I don't know if this is going to work or not, to be honest, but we're going to try it. This is going to be like the shot, I think, for this video. I just have to figure it out. Okay, so hope you guys can see. Holy shit. This thing is tight. Okay. I want to see if you guys can see this really well. It's kind of like frames it. Now the hardest part is going to get it on focus. It looks really cool though. Looks cool in the viewfinder. I don't know if it looks cool on the edited version, but I'm just going to scoop back up here. It's got his lights on. Let me do like 1.4. ISO's cranked down. It really does need it. That one looked really good. Okay, so Alex, paying attention? Alex! Get like a head-on shot right here. This doesn't look cool. It actually just looks like a freaking Impala. There we go. That looks a little bit better. Just changing the wheels. Okay, and then perfect, yeah. One thing about Alex, dude, he's taking direction with this car really well. I'm not saying that anybody wouldn't, but I feel like it's hard to like explain it to whoever's like behind the wheel, like your vision, and then what like you're really trying to like accomplish. Fun fact about Alex though, him and I, we've known each other for about like 6 years now. We used to play COD all the time during Call of Duty. Spent a lot of time playing Call of Duty. And he lives rather close to me. So when I posted this on Facebook, he was ready to help, which I didn't even think about his car at the time, but it's definitely a perfect option for it. Oh, here we go. Come on, in focus. That one looks really good. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. I'm like, my body's all contorted trying to figure that out. All right guys, so that concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it wasn't very long, but I'm gonna be completely honest with you because like I try to be honest and open on these type of videos anyway. I don't know what I'm doing with this. I try to shoot it. It's an amazing car. I think it's, I'm gonna just say it, like, I don't think I have the right lens for it. I think I need a wider lens to make it work. I have an 85 1.4 and I have a 50 1.8, and I just don't think I know what I'm doing when it comes to that. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna do some research. I'm really going to storyboard, try to figure out exactly how I wanna shoot this. And I wanna try to reshoot this shot in like a, probably like in a couple months where I kind of, you know, just know where I'm coming from. And also too, I'm gonna be completely candid with you. It's like 98 degrees out here too, so it's super hot. So it's whenever you're out here hot, it's kind of harder to create and build on something. But like I said when I was just talking earlier, Alex is a great guy. He does custom cars all the time, and so a huge shout out to him, just letting me to use him, his time and his car for this content. I really appreciate it. He is looking to create some content of his own, so I'm gonna be sure to put all of his links and stuff in the description below. You can follow him. He's gonna be putting out some videos on YouTube as well. That's gonna be, you know, mainly car focused. But like I said, guys, I just want to be honest and open with you. This is something that's kind of new. I am going to put some photos maybe throughout the video, like I said, or I might just put them here in a couple seconds directly after. But regardless, I want to be honest with you, let you guys know where I'm coming from. I'm trying to bring this content to you to let you guys know what how hard it is, or how to learn from others and stuff. That way, when you go out in the field and you're doing these shoots, it's completely easy for you and stuff. So if you guys like this, please like and subscribe. If not, just keep on moving. We'll see you the next day, and stay safe, never stop creating, and we'll see you.